Hello, everyone. The video shows how to use MoreLogin Antidetect browser with YiLuProxy. Firstly, configure YiLuProxy settings as shown video. Run MoreLogin client. Click New Profile. Click Advanced Setting. Enter profile name. Here I test YiLuProxy static IP. Then custom proxy.
Select SOCKS5 or HTTP proxy type.
Then local port forward a static IP. Right-click an IP and select a port. Enter local IP 127.0.0.1 and port 5500. Check proxy.
This IP is the same as the IP in YiLuProxy port 5500.
Click OK to save the profile. Run the browser profile. Then browser will automatically enter a website that shows IP address and some browser information. Close the browser. Then we test YiLuProxy dynamic IP. Dynamic IP and mobile IP use methods are the same. Select proxy IP type.
Select a location, such as Turkey. Refresh.
Right-click an IP and select a port. Then enter local IP 127.0.0.1 and port 5501. Check proxy. Save. Start it. This is a Turkey IP. Close the browser. Earlier we used the local port forwarding method. Now we test server forwarding for dynamic IPS and mobile IPS.
Select the proxy IP type, the first IP format, the number of generating IPS.
Select a location, such as Swaziland. Right-click an IP and copy IP information. Then paste. Check proxy. Save the profile. Run it. Here you can check IP address and browser information. You can also use hooter.net to check browser.
By using server ports forwarding, you can use these dynamic IPS or mobile's IPS without running YiLuProxy client.
Here I close YiLu client. Refresh the web pages. You can see that the proxy IP is still working. You can create multiple virtual browsers in MoreLogin and connect different proxy IPS to manage multiple accounts of the same platform, such as Twitter, Facebook, Google. Okay, the video is over. Bye.